Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through a super handy process, how to link your Upstox account directly to Tradingview. If you're someone who loves analyzing charts on Tradingview but wants the convenience of placing trades through Upstox without jumping between platforms, this guide is exactly what you need. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to check if Upstox can connect to Tradingview and how to find it in just a few quick steps. Alright, let's dive right in. To start off, open up your internet browser and head over to Tradingview's website. If you don't already have an account, you'll want to sign up, but for most of us, just logging in will do. This is your main dashboard where all the market magic happens. Now look towards the top of the screen for a menu called Products. Go ahead and click on it. This menu is kind of like Tradingview's main hub. It gives you quick access to all the different tools and features they offer. We want to zero in on the trading panel, which you'll find if you scroll all the way down. The trading panel is where you actually connect your brokerage accounts to Tradingview, so we'll click there. This next part is really important. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a button or tab labeled Trading Panel. Give that a click. If you're on a smaller screen like a laptop, you might need to scroll down a little until you see it. Once you've opened the trading panel, you'll notice that Tradingview shows you a list of brokers that can be directly linked. Don't worry if things look a bit different on your screen. Tradingview updates their interface from time to time, but you'll always be looking for that trading panel at the bottom. Next, look for the option that says All Brokers. This button basically displays every broker that currently integrates with Tradingview. Click on it and take a moment to let the list load. Depending on your internet connection, it might take a few seconds, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. Now, here's the step where you check for Upstox. Carefully scroll through the list and look for the Upstox logo or name. Brokers are usually listed alphabetically, so it helps to take your time or even use the search box if one's available. If Upstox shows up in the list, that's fantastic. It means Tradingview currently supports a direct connection to Upstox. You'll actually be able to link your account right then and there by following Tradingview's prompts, making it super simple to execute trades from your favorite charting platform. But if you go through the list and don't find Upstox, don't be discouraged. This simply means Upstox isn't supported by Tradingview at this time. Broker integrations are always changing, so just because it's not available today doesn't mean it won't be in the future. It's a good idea to check back every once in a while, especially if you hear about new updates from either platform. And that's really all there is to it. As you can see, checking for broker support in Tradingview is straightforward, and linking Upstox, if available, just takes a couple of extra clicks. If you found this tutorial useful, be sure to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or want me to cover more topics like this, drop a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth trading guides and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.